Hello, everybody. Happy week 33 of the school year. A reminder that you can only turn in your calendar activity reflections 3 weeks after you first get access to it. So if you don't turn it in within the first 3 weeks, you miss out on that opportunity. And I don't want that to happen because obviously then it's harder for you to play catch up on your grade and things like that for the fourth quarter. So a reminder that that's how it's working for fourth quarter, trying to set you up so that you're more timely, more organized, and just to be a better student and turn things in when you're supposed to, okay? So please, please, please keep that in mind. For this week, the secret code. Okay. As the weather gets warmer and as summer is quickly approaching, I know a lot of people, Miss Rainey included, I know a lot of people really like to think about what they're going to do over the summer or where they want to travel to, and they get a little, travel bug that they want to go somewhere. So for this week's secret code, I want you to tell me one place anywhere in the world that you would like to go, and then tell me why. So, out of any place in the whole wide world, tell me where you would like to travel to and why. And that's going to be the secret code for this week. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, enjoy your week and happy May. Bye.